What if I told you that your towels aren't rough and scratchy because they're old or cheap, but because of one massive mistake you're making every single time you wash them? What if there's a simple fix that instantly transforms hard, rough towels back to that hotel quality softness you remember when they were new? I discovered this secret after ruining multiple sets of expensive towels, and the difference was so dramatic that I couldn't believe it. Stay with me, because this will change your laundry routine forever. The frustration of rough towels. You know that disappointing feeling when you step out of a refreshing shower and reach for a towel, only to have it feel like you're drying off with sandpaper? Your towels used to be soft. You remember when you first bought them. They were fluffy, absorbent, luxurious. But somewhere along the way, they transformed into these stiff, scratchy rectangles that barely absorb water and feel uncomfortable against your skin. You've tried everything, buying expensive brands, using more fabric softener. Nothing works. The towels just keep getting worse. The mistake everyone makes. Here's the shocking truth. The reason your towels are rough and stiff is fabric softener. Yes, the very product marketed to make fabrics soft is destroying your towels. Fabric softener coats fabric fibers with a waxy residue. On regular clothes, this feels smooth. But on towels, this coating fills in the tiny loops that make towels absorbent and fluffy. Over time, this buildup makes towels stiff, reduces their absorbency, and traps odors. You're essentially waterproofing your towels with repeated fabric softener use. When I learned this, my mind was blown. I'd been using fabric softener on every load, thinking I was helping. I was actually destroying my towels. But here's what makes it worse. Detergent buildup also contributes to the problem. Most people use too much detergent, and the excess doesn't fully rinse out. The solution that works instantly. Here's the secret to hotel-quality fluffy towels. Stop using fabric softener completely. Never use it on towels again. Instead, add white vinegar to the fabric softener dispenser or directly to the rinse cycle. Use half a cup for a regular load. Vinegar strips away detergent and softener buildup, softens water, eliminates odors, and naturally softens fabrics without coating them. And don't worry, your towels won't smell like vinegar. The scent completely evaporates during drying. But here's the part that creates that instant transformation. For towels that are already stiff from buildup, do a deep cleaning cycle. Wash them in hot water with 1 cup of white vinegar and no detergent. Let the cycle complete. Then run a second cycle with hot water, half a cup of baking soda, and no detergent. This 2-step process strips away years of accumulated residue. I did this with towels I was ready to throw away, and the transformation was absolutely incredible. After these 2 cycles, I pulled the towels from the dryer, and I literally stood there in disbelief. They were soft. Actually soft, fluffy like they were new. I tested their absorbency by drying my hands. Perfect absorption, no water beating on the surface like before. I buried my face in one because I couldn't believe it. It felt luxurious. These were the same towels that had felt like sandpaper just hours earlier. The new routine. Now I follow a simple routine that keeps my towels perfect indefinitely. I wash towels in hot water with minimal detergent, half the amount the bottle recommends. I add half a cup of vinegar to every wash. I never use fabric softener. And I dry them on medium heat with dryer balls to fluff the fibers. Every few months, I do the deep cleaning cycle to prevent any buildup. My towels have stayed soft and fluffy for over 6 months now, and they're showing no signs of degrading. There you have it. The secret to fluffier towels instantly. Stop using fabric softener, switch to vinegar, do the deep cleaning cycle for damaged towels, and maintain them properly going forward. If this just saved your towels from the trash, hit that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more laundry secrets that actually work. Share this with anyone complaining about rough towels. Comment if you're doing the deep cleaning cycle today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay smart, save money, and enjoy towels that feel like clouds.